Hello, this is Sirisha Kisra. My class ID is 14. Today we are going to see deep learning icp4, where we are doing the image classification with CNN. So we need to include all these convolution layers with the feature maps and the size and dropout layers, max pool layers in the source code, and see how the performance changes and visualize the graph and loss with the tensor board and predict the 4 image of the test data and see whether it is getting predicted correct or not. Going to the source code, so this is the code that is given. First we are importing the modules and the data set that we need, and then we are dividing it into train and test data, and we are scaling the data, train and test data, and after that we are creating the model, sequential model, and in the source code there are only 2 convolution layers with the 32 features and size 3 by 3 matrix, and there is a dropout of only 20% of first convolution, and there is only one max pooling layer with a size of 2 by 2, and the output is dimage 10, and the activation function is softmax, and the epochs that I have taken is 7. And after everything is done, I'm evaluating the model and printing the accuracy. So let me run this code. So it is giving the summary of the model and evaluating. The accuracy for the source given code, I've given epoch 7, so the accuracy that I've got is 54.32. For the ICP, I have added the layers that are mentioned in the ICP, and also to visualize the graph in the tensor board we need to first define a tensor board called, in the Keras we have tensor board, and I'm storing the logs in the graph directory. So the epochs I've considered 7. These are all the layers that are mentioned, and to predict the first 4 initially, we have taken a imported pandas PD by which we can read the datagram, and for the first 4 in the array of the X text, so we are giving the X text data and we are predicting the Y test. So from 0 to 4 we are predicting the predicted using the predict classes function. We can predict the values for the image ID, the label, but the actual labels we can get using numpy, so it will print the actual images. So let me run this code. As you see, the accuracy for the when more layers added is 52.75, and the labels that we predicted is first 4 labels 3188, but the actual is 3880, so it is predicting 50% correctly. After adding more layers, convolution and max pooling, the accuracy has been decreased from 54.32 to 52.75. I have also run the code in Python to log the tensor board logs. So here in the code I've logged it in the log dir, so which has logged in the graph directory. So let me try to show it using the tensor board. So here cd. I need to activate the TensorFlow first. And now here I need to give the command tensorboard log dir and the path of this log. So now at this address, the loss and accuracy using the tensor board for this will be given. So I'm reloading this. As you see, the accuracy plot and the loss plot for, as I've taken 7 epochs for the given code are these, and these are the values if you scroll down. Thank you.